Metal arc spray is a process of depositing a high-performance thermal coating onto one part without distorting the core component. The arc spray process is a very good cost-effective method and can be applied to a wide range of applications. Arc spraying is one of the most versatile of all the thermal spray processes. At Mantrac, we have the capability to salvage a wide range of components through this process, demonstrating once more our commitment through investment, training, and technology. All of our salvage procedures are OEM approved and are covered by 12-month guarantee that extends to non-cut mining and construction equipment, as well as processing plants or static plants. For a component that does not meet reusability and can be salvaged, the area that needs to be reworked is machined or undercut to specified dimension on either the lathe, CNC rotator, or milling machine. The component is first grate blasted and then positioned in the booth for arc spray. The component is preheated to a specified temperature before the arc spray process begins. Using the ABB robot, the operative programs the equipment to apply several coats of arc spray material and build up the prepped area until a defined dimension is reached to allow for machining to OEM specification. The component is removed from the arc spray booth and scheduled in for final machining.